Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix your investment strategy with Robinhood, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Robinhood app on your device. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the account icon in the bottom right corner. Select investing from the options presented. You'll see an overview of your current investment portfolio. Review your holdings to identify underperforming stocks or assets. Tap on any asset to view its details and performance history. Analyze the price trends and recent news related to the asset. If you decide to make a change, return to your portfolio overview. Tap on the trade button next to the asset you wish to adjust. Select sell if you plan to exit a position. Input the amount you want to sell and confirm the trade. With the proceeds, explore other investment options within the app. Utilize the search function to find new stocks or ETFs. Research potential investments by checking their performance metrics and news. Once you find a promising opportunity, tap on it to view more details. When ready, tap on the trade button and select buy. Input the amount you wish to invest and confirm your order. Monitor your new investments regularly for performance. Consider setting alerts for price changes or news on specific stocks. Periodically review your overall investment strategy to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. Stay informed about market trends and adjust your strategy as needed. Utilize the educational resources available within the app for better insights. Engage with community discussions to gain different perspectives on investment strategies. By following these steps, you can effectively refine your investment strategy on Robinhood. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.